God's Word. December 14, 2024. Matthew chapter 17 verses 9a, 10-13. 9. And as they came down from the mountain, Jesus charged them, saying, Tell the vision to no man, till the Son of Man be risen from the dead. 10. And his disciples asked him, saying, Why then do the scribes say that Elias must come first? 11. But he answering, said to them, Elias indeed shall come, and restore all things. 12. But I say to you, that Elias is already come, and they knew him not, but have done unto him whatsoever they had a mind. So also the Son of Man shall suffer from them. 13. Then the disciples understood that he had spoken to them of John the Baptist.